While delivery pizza is always an option, sometimes you want to make a fresh pie in the comfort of your own home. A pizza oven might be your best bet for getting the best tasting pie without delivery, and besides, pizza ovens can cook bread and heat frozen foods much faster than the oven. The options for pizza ovens can range from a big outdoor oven to a compact countertop appliance, so there's something right for everyone. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products. The Oster Convection Oven provides turbo convection baking technology, uses a fan to circulate hot air and help ensure faster, more consistent cooking and browning that allows you to cook quicker and brown more evenly. It has a dedicated pizza drawer, which is also great for preparing bruschetta and quesadillas, and the drawer features retractable handles that recess flush into its face. It offers separate top and bottom crumb trays to simplify cleaning. It has included baking pan and baking rack that doubles as a broiling pan when assembled together and is equipped with the 60-minute timer with auto shutoff and bell signal. Also, the adjustable broil allows the oven to broil at any temperature. With its brushed stainless steel exterior, this electric oven attractively complements nearly any kitchen decor. Besides, the upper convection oven reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and has warm, toast, bake, broil, and turbo settings. Moreover, its two rack positions allow you to fit roasts, casseroles, pies, and more. The Presto 03430 Pizzazz comes with a rotating tray, turns continuously to assure even baking. It has top and bottom heating elements that bake foods from both sides. Also, the heating elements are controlled separately. Select top, bottom, or both components for perfect results every time. It also prepares frozen convenience foods like chicken, wings, and nuggets, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, even quesadillas and grilled sandwiches. Besides, it has a timer that signals the end of cooking time and automatically turns everything off. You can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven, and the nonstick pan is removable for easy cleanup and compact storage. Another added feature is that with the 13¼ inch diameter baking pan in place, the pizza maker is 13¼ inches wide, 9½ inches high, and 17½ inches deep. The Betty Crocker BC-2958CR pizza maker provides a fast, fun, and energy-efficient way to create homemade pizzas or flatbreads with your fresh toppings in just minutes. Moreover, it can be used to produce classic thin crust pizza and savory flatbreads with your favorite toppings without the need to even turn on an oven. It is equipped with a non-stick baking plate, cooks food to perfection, and makes it easy to lift finished flatbreads and pies out by the slice or as a whole pie. The non-stick surface can be wiped clean for easy care, and its compact size and cord wrap design empower easy storage when not in use. Also, it offers a simple operating system including power on and temperature ready indicator lights. Another advantage is that it's also great for making a wide array of quick meals and creative snacks with minimal preparation when you'd rather spend time with friends and family than in the kitchen. Claiming the first place among the list of best pizza ovens, we have the Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. It comes with a built-in valve ignition, micro-adjust valve, gives you total flame control, and has built-in temperature gauge monitor internal air temps. Also, it offers micro-adjust valves that give you heat control and responsiveness to cook perfect artisan pizza every time. Besides, it provides a regulator and a 5-feet hose included to adapt to a standard bulk propane tank. The oven can reach temperatures upwards of 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for pizza, baking bread, roasting meats, and more. Moreover, it has specially designed features that replicate the performance of a wood-fired brick oven, from its double-walled construction and specially designed burners to its ventilation and cordierite ceramic pizza stone. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.